All right, let's use these games and screens to create a game with multiple different screens it can display. Instead of an application adapter here, we're using a game. If we right-click on Game and say Go to Declaration, we can jump into the source code of the game class inside libgdx. As we see, Game implements Application Listener. It seems that the game class has a screen member variable, and then for each one of the application or listener callbacks, if it has a screen, it then delegates that callback to the screen. Here we've declared two screens, one of which displays the number of frames displayed per second, and the other displays the number of seconds between the current frame and the last one. To set the active screen, we just need to call setScreen on our game. Let's check out Delta Screen. Screens are very similar to application listeners, with a couple differences. Instead of create, screens get a show call. Screens can receive a hide call when another screen becomes active, and the render call received by a screen includes this argument called delta. The argument delta is the number of seconds after the previous frame that this frame is expected to hit the screen. In a normal game running at 60 frames per second, this will be approximately 0.0167 seconds, or 16.7 milliseconds. However, if your game is running on old hardware or is just trying to draw way too much stuff, you may end up with a delta that's larger. In this screen, we've created a bitmap font and a sprite batch, and we're just displaying the delta that's been passed into the render callback. Also, we've included logging on all of the lifecycle methods so that we can investigate what happens when we switch screens.